Hi, this is Jamie Anderson from Get Your Sax Together, although it should be Get Your Health Together. I'm in hospital with this pretty dodgy infection and I'm hooked up to really strong drugs to get that. So I can't do a proper video today, so I'm just going to cobble together some vlog footage that I've got from another occasion. So that's all I can give this week and hope you enjoy it. How you doing? Jamie Anderson here from Get Your Sax Together. I've got a few things to take care of today. I've got some recording to do, some library stuff, another thing to record for the London Dance Orchestra, and if I've got time, I'm also going to do a bit of an arrangement. So come and follow me around, and if you like the channel, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that kind of good malarkey, and let's have some fun.
Get your words together, get your sax together.
Sup YouTube, morning. I have got a busy day, so I thought I'd check in. First thing I've got to do is record some library music for my good friend Matt Holland. So I printed off the music. Let's go and check it out. Trad Jazz Vintage 4. That's on bass clarinet.
Yeah, beauty.
And that's on clarinet. And there's some other sax parts as well, which I haven't printed off yet. So follow me to the studio.
This is a very long walk.
Check out the new sign.
Sweet. Welcome to a behind the scenes tour of Get Your Sax Together. You've got the lights, piano, drum which he sits on because he has nothing better to sit on, instruments, wires.
Right. You're talking too much. This is my show. That's close.
Dang, sorry. Clarinet. What is it for?
It's reeds.
Ooh. Let's hear it then.
Now then.
That was short but sweet.
Alright, shall we have a little practice?
Yeah, let's do it.
24 bars off. Awkward. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Sight reading, y'all.
Oh yes. Skills that I do not have. FYI, I've got to go.
Okay, I've had a little practice. I've had a little rehearsal. Gonna get you to school and then record this bad boy.
Yay.
Right, that's the clarinet done on vintage Trad Jazz 4. I thought I'd do all the clarinet in one go, then do the bass clarinet and then saxes. Right, my barrel just feels a bit loose. So I'm just gonna put a bit of PTFE tape round. Aha, that's better. Okay, cool. Step into the light, my friend. My headphones are all tangled. Okay, moving on to Vintage Jazz 7. This is the last clarinet part. I'm gonna go straight in and see if I can do it in one take. It's quite an easy one, this. May the force be with me. The force is not with me. I need the click. May the force be with me this time. The force is not with me. I need the click for the count in as well. May the force be with me this time. One take, baby. Okay, cool, that's all the clarinet stuff done. Now, I've got some bass clarinet to do. Exciting times. Got the bass clarinet. Woo-hoo! Okay, let's go for this. Oh, goodness me, Jamston. Step aside, Stravinsky. There's a new bass clarinet in turn. Quality. Okay, that is the clarinets and bass clarinet done. I'm moving on to the tenor sax parts now. I've got 5 tenor sax parts at certain points in the song, so I'm going to layer them all up. Okay, tenor sax is done. Last but not least, alto, and then this job is done. Let's do this. All right, let's get this alto going, baby. One take. Right, done all the library stuff. That's all done and dusted, sent off via WeTransfer. Now I'm going to record the sax parts for some of the Ritz tunes that we're doing for the demo for our weekly Friday residency. So I'm doing tenor on It's All Right With Me. That's the tune recorded for the London Dance Orchestra. I put in some flute as well, actually, which is quite cool. Let's have a little look at my solo on that one. The tune's called It's All Right With Me. Famous standard. Hang on a minute. So I reckon I'm just going to do a bit of an arrangement I've got to do for the Ritz on Friday, and then I'll call that a pretty good day. So that's the recording done for the day. I've got a little bit more time, so I'm going to work on the arrangement I'm doing of It's Not Unusual as a samba feel for the Ritz ballroom gig I do, as you can see. So I hope you enjoy the little peek into my day, and please subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. And click the bell and all that good stuff, and give the video a thumbs up. That's really going to help me out. And I'll see you next time on Get Your Sax Together. Later, see you later, see you later, see you later, see you later. Right, that's the tune for the London Door. Oh. So one of the things I love about doing sessions at home is that you can just go outside. Well, that's a stupid reason.